Get to know Sinj, the city of the Alkar Knights and the most famous Marian shrine in Dalmatia. The city is dominated by the church, where there is a painting of the Miraculous Lady of Sinj, which can be counted among the most beautiful paintings in Christian art. A bronze statue of Our Lady has been placed on the stone cliff of the Grad fortress, which leads to the Stations of the Cross, from where there is a view of the largest part of Sinj, surrounded by the mountains of Dinara, Svilaj, Kamešnica and the Sinjsko Polje, which is crossed by the Cetina river. The people of Sinj founded the nightly game Alka, which has been on the representative list of UNESCO's heritage since 2010. Visit the Museum of Alka in Sinj and get to know the rich history of Alka and Sinj. While walking through the museum, you can view the original uniforms, equipment and weapons of the Alkars of Sinj. In the monumental building Palazzini, which is part of the historical complex with the nearby fortress Kamičak, there is another jewel from Sinj worth seeing, the Museum of the Cetinska Krajina. The permanent exhibition shows the interdependence and synergy of the landscape and the community that inhabits it. Don't miss seeing the archaeological collection of the Franciscan monastery, which is one of the oldest and most valuable in Croatia. To take a break from research, drink a coffee at the popular market with many people from Sinj and enjoy a nice day and impressions. Sinj is also an ideal place for active vacations and outdoor activities. Biking, horse riding, parachuting, hiking or mountain climbing will take you to the beautiful and unexplored landscapes of the Sinj relief and the protected landscapes of Sutin and Rumin. Numerous other sports infrastructure is at your disposal, such as hippodrome, playground, gymnasium, athletic tracks, tennis courts and the city swimming pool of Olympic dimensions. If you prefer the water sports, Cetina, a Dalmatian karst beauty, is also ideal for a fairy tale canoe safari experience. Surrender to the calm flow, enjoy the fresh air and untouched nature. If you want a little more adventure, adrenaline off-road rides are the right choice for you. Experience exciting and interesting ride that you will remember for a long time. Sinj and Cetinska Krajina are a real paradise for gourmets, known for very tasty and unique dishes. In addition to Sinj Arambashi, the ever-hospitable people of Sinj will be happy to offer various delicacies and many specialties characteristic of the Dalmatian Zagora. Whether you're looking for entertainment, specific tastes and smells of cuisine, or discovering the beauty of nature, come to Sinj and meet people with big hearts who will make your stay unforgettable.